If you've ever bundled components into a finished product, whether it's a physical item or a service package, you're already thinking like a manufacturer. The NetSuite Assembly Items feature gives you the structure and flexibility to define how those products are built, tracked, and sold. In this video, we'll break down what assembly items are, why you might need them, and how to set them up in your NetSuite account. Assembly items represent finished goods made from multiple components. Think of a bicycle built from tires, a frame, and handlebars. Those parts become a single product you can stock, ship, and sell. NetSuite uses assembly items to track the production of these finished goods so that you can manage inventory, costs, and demand more efficiently. With assembly items, you can define the individual components of the finished product, specify how many units of each component are required, and track inventory of the individual components as well as the finished product. Why would you consider using the NetSuite Assembly Items feature? Perhaps you produce the same products repeatedly. Perhaps you need a way to track both individual components and finished goods. And perhaps you want to automate costing and inventory updates during production. When you combine the Assembly Items feature with features like the Advanced Bill of Materials feature, Assembly Items provide all these abilities and more. Before creating assembly items, you'll need to enable the Assembly Items feature in your NetSuite account. You can do that on the Items and Inventory tab of Enable Features. Once that's turned on, you're ready to start creating your assembly item records. To create a new assembly item, navigate to Lists, Accounting, Items, New, and select Assembly from the list. From there, you can define basic details like the name of the item, a description, and the unit type, that is, how units of this item will be measured. You can also classify this assembly item with a specific subsidiary, department, and location. Then you'll scroll down to the Manufacturing subtab. Here, attach the bill of materials that contains the necessary components that make up this assembly. Under the Purchasing/Inventory subtab, you can select things like your preferred bin locations and costing methods for this item. Under the Sales/Pricing subtab, you can set things like the cost of the item and apply both a billing schedule and a quantity pricing schedule. Whether you're new to assembly items or ready to optimize how you use them, NetSuite has the tools to make your manufacturing smarter and more scalable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by hitting the like button. And to learn more about how SuiteRep can help you with all of your NetSuite needs, visit us at SuiteRep.com.